Yeah, we didn't play good in that game, but now we have to be together and to don't be very sad about the game, because we are still in the first place. We cannot put our head down at that moment. This is the moment who we need to be a family. We need to be together and to go now step by step to for the next game against Celi, to do everything, to work hard for 3 points. No, we didn't think about other game. We are concentrated on this game. Also for Celi, we will have in our mentality only Celi games, and we must be together now. Now is the time to work hard, everyone, and to give everything for the next game. Yeah, now it's 5 points, but still in the first place. We cannot lose this concentration, this mentality. You must be strong on the head to go up on the table. Yeah. Already before the game against NAFTA, we have some conversation, and this is always in my mentality and the players' mentality. We cannot be down. This is the game. A game you have 3 results: win, draw, or lose. And we are still have a good team, and we must work hard for the next game. This is very good. Also, last game against Olympia, they went there, they support the club, and this is important for us in this moment. The Violi fans are still with us. They believe in us. This is good. This is show we are doing everything to win the game, but the results are not so good, and we'll try to change this moment. A hard game. Also will be a hard game here, home ground. They have a different team now from last season, last half period, and of course they will come to win the game, but we will be strong and will not let them to score the goals.